Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 16 of the Cougar Connection. This is going to be a short week here at Simons Middle School, so this is going to be a pretty short Cougar Connection. This week, we want to take a moment and recognize our student spotlight, Jared Ishmael. Jared is a 7th grade student here at Simons Middle School on the Green Monkey team, and he is also a member of our Cougar Council. Jared's teachers report that he is a hard worker in the classroom, and he is a leader amongst his peers. He has had a successful football season where his team was the EKC runner-up, and he is currently playing basketball for our Simons Middle School Cougars. So thank you, Jared, for your can, will, must attitude, and we cannot wait to see the amazing things that you're going to do as a Cougar here at Simons Middle School. This week we want to recognize Miss LaShonda Cooper as our staff spotlight. Miss Cooper and Miss High this week worked to teach several young ladies at Simons Middle School how to make yeast rolls. This has become a tradition at Simons Middle School, and it's always very popular. But not only that, Miss Cooper cares a lot about the students here at SMS, and she's always going the extra mile to make sure that they have a hot meal, a nutritious meal, and she just genuinely cares about kids. So thank you, Miss Cooper, for all that you do for our kids and for us here at SMS. Just a couple of events and reminders that are going on for this week. We will have a brief admin meeting at 9 o'clock on Monday morning, and also content PLCs are going to be after school on Monday for science and math. Boys basketball is going to be at Lewis County on Monday, and there are a few of you Cougar Council members who are going to FCHS tomorrow for the taste testing at 1:30. Also on Tuesday, we have the reality store. That's going to be in the morning, and then on Tuesday afternoon, we have the dodgeball tournament that has been hugely popular amongst students and staff, so we are looking forward to that. Also, students, don't forget, if you want to get your picture taken with Santa Gasparock and Brandenburg Elf, you do need to bring $2 for that on Tuesday. And I just want to take a moment and wish all of you a restful and happy Thanksgiving. I happen to think Thanksgiving is probably one of the best holidays of the year because it is a time for us to all think about the things that we are thankful for. And I am thankful for all of you, and I hope that everyone has an amazing holiday and gets to rest and relax with their families. That is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have a great week.